I'm Hillary, and today I will be showing you teachers how to use the website storybird.com. So first type in storybird.com. And this is a website where you could create, read, and share visual stories. And you could use this website using your laptop, iPad, or iPhone. It is digital publishing for everyone, meaning friends and families can use it, teachers and students, and artists. You can also read other stories published by other users in this website, and you can also read poems. So first, we're going to create an account. Since this is specifically for teachers, we go under School and Education to Educator. Then fill out the following account information. So the username, email, password, terms, agree to terms of service, and then create account. So class name, school name, country, postal code, class grade level, and class subjects. This subject is good for English teachers. So from here, you can add or invite students to join your class. So head over to students. Under add or invite students. And then you could make up their own, you could make up their username. So for now, I'm just gonna type it in. And here you have the class access code. It says have students create their own accounts and use their code to connect to your class. Less typing for you. And if you have more than 10 students, then you could sign up for the bulk account creation, but then you'd have to pay. But for now, add students. And then from here, you could remove student from class, change password, change or add student name, or change username. And here is just the temporary passwords of the students. You could also print student login cards and print class list. And then under to create your own story as an example for your class for an assignment, you could go under create. And here, able to choose your own pictures for your visual story. So here they have artwork tags, but you could also search artwork tags of your interest. So I'll just pick one. So for this one, you could was the publisher, the artist, where this was made, how many views it got, and the date it was uploaded. In the bottom you could see comments. Use this art. You could either use it for a story or for a poem, but I think for a poem you'd have to pay, so click for a story. So as you can see, you could drag the pictures here like this, and click here and add text. For the cover of your visual story, you could pick from classic, landscape, journal, or iconic, but click classic because landscape, journal, and iconic you'd have to pay. So you could choose types of color you'd like for your cover, and then you could just type in the author and the title. And then for the next page, there's a lot to choose from. So and then to add another page, click this button right here, and you could move the picture around, move it to this side, or as a full page. And here it shows when the story was last saved. So if you want to save, you go under menu, save and close. And then here it shows your unpublished story. However, you could also delete the story, invite a collaborator, or copy to another account, or you could edit the story and edit details. And going back to assignments, head over to classes, and under assignments, you can create an assignment. So the name, fill out the following information. To show your class an example of the assignment you want to give them, just copy this link and head over to classes, assignments, create an assignment, and then fill in the following information. And then for media, you could use a link from Storybird, YouTube, Vimeo, or SchoolTube. I chose a link from Storybird, which was the example I just did to make a story, a visual story. Or you could just choose a file from Word documents or a picture. And then you could select what type of artwork you'd like, the tags, the artist, and then select due date. So, for example, you could make this assignment due for December 9, 2013, and then just save assignment. So now I will show you how to create an assignment for your class. Oh, by the way, up here it shows you to confirm your account information in your email account. To verify. To publish this story, for example, I'll click publish. And then here it shows you the story details. You could pick, do a summary, tags, written for like and then publish. Or you could delete story, but publish. And then here it would show you the details again, and yeah. You could add a comment. So from here I will copy this link and then head over to classes and use this link to show students an example of what I'm looking for in the assignment. So head over to assignments, then click create an assignment, and then fill in the following information. And then I would paste the link of the visual story I just created as an example. You could also use other media from Storybird, YouTube, Vimeo, or SchoolTube. Or you could choose a file from Word documents or a picture. And then from here, choose the due date. So I would make this assignment due on December 9, 2013. Then save assignment. And then it will show you your short stories assignment for your students. And you could also edit the assignment by doing that. So your students would be able to see this assignment, for example. They would click on it like this, and then they would read the instructions, and then they would do this assignment. Then it would show when the assignment is due. And then your students would be able to select a visual picture for their short story and then take it from there. Not to mention, you could go under Explore and read other people's stories or poems of your interest. So you could check from most popular or active or recent. Then you could search under categories and for age. To log out, you can just go there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video on how to use storybird.com. If you are interested in knowing more, you could go under teachers and read what you could do on this website. So here it shows that you could do creative learning, you could share, print your stories, and then here it shows you positive feedback from users, teachers. And then here it shows you top 5 reasons why teachers love to use Storybird.